Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you listen, and you listen, and you listen, and you listen, and you did it right from the start.
Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with a video of great importance. Not really. Just got off of work from home. Kickstand's down, won't start. And it is blazing hot outside, like high 80s, 90s or something like that. Please do not criticize me for wearing my armored vest. I have nothing on my arms, and I do have my gloves on, and I have jeans, and I have sneakers. So, whatever. I'm also on a scooter, so if you want to be judgy, then be judgy. So, what you just saw was a hyperlapse off of the new GoPro 7. Yes, I said GoPro 7, not GoPro 8. And I made that as a conscious choice. I didn't want to buy a GoPro 8 because I didn't want to have to buy the media mod to get the mic on. And at the same time, when you take the cover off to use the USB port, it also exposes the underbelly of the battery. On a GoPro 7, it's just like the 6 and the 5. There's a separate door for the battery than there is for the thing. So I was like, oh, okay, that's good. But when they came out with the 8, it's all under one door. So if you do want to use the original microphone adapter, then you have to expose your battery also. So that was a no-go. And then the GoPro 8 has the built-in mount on the bottom, which I did not like. And most people are like, why wouldn't you like that? Well, because it doesn't, it clicks on the bottom, right? That means every time I take my camera off my helmet, I have to unscrew that thing and pull it off, when right now all I have to do is flick a latch and pull it out of the harness. Now, people didn't like that for like sports and other things, I guess. But personally, for me, I didn't like it because, well, I just didn't like it. It didn't really work out for me that way. And I know it's like, it's not that big of a deal to go ahead and pull the little thing off, but whatever. So, I got a GoPro 7. Also, if I did this right, and you're looking at this now, then you'll also see the GPS data, and you can actually see my speed again like I used to. My GoPro 6, the speedometer stopped, the speed thing stopped working. So, you couldn't see how fast I was going, and people really enjoyed that. I enjoyed that, you know, especially for speed tests. It was a lot easier to, like, show people what was going on, how fast I was going, so. But, yeah. How do you like it? Now, what I was thinking for the hyperlapse portion is, like, if we do, like, long group rides, I can use a dedicated battery to do the whole hyperlapse thing. And then, yeah, how do you also like Hypersmooth 1, not Hypersmooth 2, which, by the way, is not really that much of a difference, but it is a huge difference over the GoPro 6. The 6 had image stabilization, but this has like freaking insane image stabilization. Yep, I said it, insane image stabilization. And then that truck still hasn't moved yet. It's still sitting there. Oh, it feels so good to be outside. I just drove through Vintage Park, and when I drove through it, there was not a lot of people there, and all the restaurants, some of the restaurants had like drive-thrus in them. Well, that's cool, I guess. I really don't want to eat it. There must be a lot of people that just like, that's all they do is eat out. Maybe they have nothing in the refrigerator at home. They like open it and it's like condiments, like ketchup and mustard and like sauces, but like nothing actually in the fridge. If anyone gets that reference to what movie that's from, then let me know. Leave a comment below. And I'm also out on the Zuma, which, you know, this thing is like the minivan of my lineup. You know, I could do all sorts of junk with this thing. I can carry stuff. It's got hooks in the front. It's got a pocket in the front. It's easy to ride. 2 people can ride it easily. It's got foot pegs. It's got lights. It goes up to 60 miles per hour, which, by the way, I have not done a new speed test with the new intake, so I'll probably do that soon. This is the most underappreciated bike of my collection right now. No, not unappreciated, because I very much appreciate it. Underutilized. Now, I did find a route that goes to work that doesn't require any freeways, and it's all back roads, and I should be able to do it, but I just haven't yet had a chance to give it a shot yet. So anyways, this is pretty cool. Hope you guys like this video. It's a tribute to the 125 Zuma 2016. Still need to work on that exhaust note, but you know, let's take our time with this one, guys. I know they make a big bore kit for this, but being fuel injected, it's probably a little bit harder to tune. But yeah. So yes, this is a introduction to Caesar now owning the GoPro 7 instead of the 6. And the one I had before that was a 5, and the one before I had it was a 4. So I've had 4 through 7. So it would be out of place for me to buy a GoPro that wasn't within line of the ones that I had purchased already. Yeah, now I can say that I've had every GoPro. Well, almost every GoPro. Unless someone wants to buy me and send me an 8, then here is my my address. Not really. I do need another mirror on the other side, though. Oh yeah, guys, it is awesome being outside. Like, really awesome. Like, I don't want to go home, but I know I have to go home because I got to cook food for the kids and stuff like that. So yep. Probably should go do more cruising on this. You know what, I'm just gonna keep going. I don't even know how much battery I have. I literally took a battery from my GoPro 7 and put it on here, just my 6, and put it on here. So hopefully I have enough power to make at least a decently long video. Oh man. Okay, so what do you guys think? I wonder if the audio is gonna sound better. Maybe I had problems with like an audio port or something on my other one. Maybe that's why I was clicking. I guess I can't really get the speed on this one to make it click like on the old one, but Also, another thing, the toll roads have closed down, or the toll roads are now free in Houston. So I'm considering on Saturday trying to do a loop on the toll road around the entire city of Houston from the toll road. What do you think? You think it'll work? And should I make a video about it? And I need a haircut too. I wonder if people still give haircuts during the times of epidemics. What's it called? Not epidemic. I forgot the word that everyone uses. I think my tire pressure is low. I'm making like some serious road noise. Uh-oh. I gotta check that rear tire. I'm making some really wicked road noise sounds. Okay, so now I'm taking all my turns slow. Right, I'm gonna pull over into this Klein High School parking lot, which no one's in school right now. But I do want to see that back tire to make sure that I'm not endangering my life. Alright, let's take a look. No, it's just a sound. Oh no, my front wing is coming off. Oh no, my front wing is coming off. My front spoiler. But it does look like there's a lot of stuff closed, so I guess it's not good time to do a group ride right now, huh? No one can do a group ride? No group rides for everyone? Huh? I'm so excited to be riding! Alright, well, you know what? I do have to head home, and I'm going to cook some chicken Alfredo fettuccine with some vegetables in it. I know they're going to hate me for putting vegetables in it, but whatever. They need to eat vegetables. Vegetables are good for you. But yeah, that's what I got for you today. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera, and I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the ride and not really feel like I'm complaining. I mean, not really feel distracted and just really enjoy what I'm doing. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for riding with me on the Zuma. Thank you for watching my GoPro 7 footage and listening to my babbling about why a GoPro 7 is better for a motovlogger than it is for the GoPro 8. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see everybody in the next one.